Hello everybody, I'm in Watauga, Tennessee this morning, and I'm ready for some breakfast. So I'm going to try a place that I've never been before, passed by it for years and years and years, but today is the day. This is the morning. I'm going to go into the Country Diner and have breakfast today. And I want to take you along with me, and we'll find out together what this place is like. Let's go. All right, I just finished up my breakfast here at the Country Diner in Watauga, Tennessee. I think the address is 411 East 4th Avenue, and I enjoyed it. I often wondered how they would seat all the people that I would see here, because the place, when they're open, I think through the week, except for Monday, they're open from 7 a.m. until 2 p.m. And the times in the past when I would drive by, there would always be a lot of cars here, but this building is so tiny. It's so small. And I always wondered where they put everybody. Well, there's like 4 booths inside and about 4 little tables inside. And their parking lot's pretty full now, and all the seating places were taken up inside, except maybe 1 or 2 of the small tables. And they do have a little patio area attached to the front of the building that has a couple more booths and tables. So anyway, one thing that really impressed me is how quick they were with the service. The young lady who waited on me, she was very busy. She was very friendly, and I appreciate that. And I had the breakfast platter that had 1 egg. It didn't have a special name. It just said 1 egg and 1 bacon or sausage, I believe the way it was, for $8.40. And you could either choose hash browns and toast or biscuit and gravy. I chose the biscuit and gravy, and it was a brown country gravy. It's the first time I've had a brown country gravy in a long time. Not the first time, just the first time in a long time. But I knew it was going to be brown country gravy before I ordered it. But it was good. No complaints. The bacon was some of the thickest bacon that I've had at any place in a long time for breakfast. And it was a generous portion of bacon. So I could recommend that you try the Country Diner if you're passing through Watauga or anywhere in the area. Again, this is a place I don't know if they're this quick every day. They were very quick. I ordered my food and it was just out very quick, and it was fresh. So if you're looking for a place that's quick, like I said, I don't know if they're quick every day, but they were today. Give this place a try. And when I went to the register to pay my bill, which came out to just over $10, I think it was something like $10.32 after taxes, I couldn't help but notice the couple of busy little ladies in the kitchen. Man, they were whipping up some stuff that just looked phenomenal. Pancakes looked great, and they were making omelets, and those omelets were big, and they looked really good. So not sure if that's like there's one of their specialties here, but if I ever get back, I may try one of those omelets that I saw in the kitchen. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We are trying to convert many of our watchers into subscribers, because the analytics tells me that the vast overwhelming majority of viewers, like way up over 90% of our viewers, are not even subscribers to the channel. And we are trying to push on past 1,000 because YouTube has doubled their criteria, their watch hour criteria for monetization to 8,000 hours, as you might have heard. And we haven't met either standard yet, the 1,000 subscribers or the current 4,000 watch hours, which is going to be doubled in February to 8,000. So I'd like to just go ahead and get the easy one out of the way. And everybody says the easiest of the two is to get to the 1,000 subscribers. I'd like to just go ahead and get that out of the way so we can just focus on the watch time. But at the time of this recording, we are at 804 subscribers. So we still need 196 people to get on board and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would greatly help the channel, and we would appreciate it so much. So anyway, have a blessed and wonderful day, and check out the Country Diner, Watauga, Tennessee. Bye now.